Welcome to this tutorial where we will review how to use the Work User Session Query Range utility tool along with the data inquiry menu items in the Warehouse Management mobile application. This feature is available since application release 10.0.37 and it's enabled by default. By using this feature, you can configure the data inquiry menu item to display the data filtered by the current warehouse as well as the current user. You can also configure the data inquiry menu item whether to hide or display the filter criteria while using the Warehouse Management mobile application. Let's review a quick showcase on how to use the data inquiry menu items along with the Work User Session Query Range utility tools. I'll navigate to the mobile device menu items, and here I have a data inquiry menu item that's called Lookup PO Works. This data inquiry menu item is used as part of the put away process to display the open purchase order works. Here we have an option called Show Filter Page. You can use this option to determine whether to display the filter criteria that's specified here in the edit query to the user while using this data inquiry menu item on the Warehouse Management mobile application or no. So here we can select between two options, always, and in that case the filter criteria will always be displayed to the user and the user has to confirm the filter criteria first. Or we can only display the filter criteria when the filters can be changed. Before navigating to the Warehouse Management mobile application and validate the two options, let's first navigate to the All Work form. Here I have three open works for purchase orders type. Here we can see that we have two open works for Warehouse 50 and another one for Warehouse 51. But we can see that the open works for Warehouse 50, we have one for user Showman and another one for user WMS. Now let's navigate to the Warehouse Management mobile application and I'm gonna log in by my user Showman. Let's ensure first that we are in Warehouse 50, then I'll navigate to the put away menu item, then here we can use the data inquiry menu item Lookup PO Works. Here we can see that the user first have to confirm the filter criteria. The filter criteria here is the purchase orders with a status open. However, if I navigate right now and I change this one to only when filters can be changed, let's go back and validate this once again. So here we can see that I don't have to confirm the filter criteria, and here we can see the results. So here we have the three open works, but the point here that I can see all the open works. So here we can see the open works for Warehouse 50 as well as the open works for another user, which is WMS. So the target right now to display the open works only for my user Showman in Warehouse 50. How we can do that? We can do this using the Work User Session Query Range utility tool. So here in the edit query, we can apply another filter on the warehouse. And I'm gonna paste this command. Then I'll add another one for the created by user. Then I'll enter this command as well. Then I'll click OK. If I navigate back, so here we can see that we have only open work for Warehouse 50 that has been created by the user Showman.